Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. We have what should be an easy repair today. We're just replacing the battery in this Toshiba satellite L55. So let's get started. We're gonna flip it over and unscrew all the screws that we see. Okay, with all the screws now out, we should be able to slide the CD drive out, which we can. And then take out this back piece. Okay, see if there's any screws underneath there. And there are 2 screws right here. One screw here. Take that out. Okay. Move the receiver for their wireless mouse. All right. Thinking that should be it. So we should be able to pry this bottom piece off now. So we'll take our spudger and just. Might not even need to use the spudger. Okay. Alright, so it looks like this is the battery right here. Try and get you a little closer look. So first we're going to want to disconnect the battery. Okay. And now we're going to want to unscrew this battery. There's 1 screw there. Looks like there's 2 screws. There we go, just there it is. That's it. Comes out pretty easy. Now, time to open the replacement up. I'm going to drop it in place. Plug it in first. Line it up. And just screw it in. Okay. Okay, so now that the battery's back in place, just gonna lay this down and plug in the Ethernet jack into here. There's one flat screw, wide flat screw here, back in the bottom corner. Put the optical drive back in. 2 screws underneath the RAM cover back. Put the RAM cover back, and then screw everything back together. Alright, so now everything is back together. I'm gonna flip this over, plug it in, and see what happens. Alright, so we get light indicating that the battery is charging, so that's good. So now I'm just gonna turn it on and make sure that's the case. Alright, so now we have it turned on, everything's loaded, and see if I can try and get this to zoom, or at least focus better. But now you can see that it is charging, and that battery appears to be working fine. So now I'm just gonna, probably leave this on for a little bit, let the battery discharge for a little bit, and then charge it back up just to see how it reacts. But that's it. It's pretty simple, painless, but thanks for checking it out. Until next time.